we are going to create an art now. So for our music, understand? So that's what we're going to create. So no matter where you are, no matter the place that you are, so you see these three lines at the top left corner, just click on it. Understand? Sometimes if you are in your normal profile, it will be as at this downside. So whenever you see that button, it is the menu button. Understand? So once you click on it, you will see like all the options that you have. Like if you see event manager, you see ads manager, and whatsoever you want to do, business settings and the rest. Understand? So as I click on it, you see event manager. So I'll just click on event manager. So it took me here. So I'm going to, you see the lines have come down. So see these three lines, click on it. That's just what I wanted to click. It is the menu bar. So I'll click on it again. You see, it will bring up all the options that I need. So let's go to adverts manager. So in your own browser, it might be ads manager whatsoever. Ads represent adverts. So let's wait for it to load. So in your own ads, since you're starting up, you might not have all these ads. So these are the ads that I've run before. So I'm just going to click on the create new. So you can see this create with a plus sign on it. Understand? This green button, you click on it and your ad will start loading. The creation button will start loading. Okay, so they are asking you to choose a campaign objective. So we have different kind of objective. We have the awareness objective. The awareness is always used to create awareness for brand. It is mostly used by bigger brands like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, like any brand at all that wants to. As I've said it before, every brand run ads. Even no matter how popular you are, you need ads. You need to, because everyone now. So the awareness is used to run awareness ads for people to get to know about your brand. Traffic is used to send traffic to websites. Understand? So if you want to drive traffic to your website, you can use traffic. Engagement is used for page likes, comments, and the rest. Understand? For people to engage on your post on social media. Lead is used to collect leads for people that are offering services, and uh, mostly it is affiliate marketers that uses it. So app promotion is used to promote apps, and sales are used for sale. Understand? If you're selling, maybe you have a e-commerce store. Understand? You're selling something online. You can use sales objective. So for this very campaign, we are going to be creating an engagement, a conversion campaign. So will you choose this engagement? Understand? You can still use traffic because we are sending a traffic to a website, but we want to use engagement for this very particular one. So wait for it to load. So they're asking you, okay, we are going to choose manual engagement settings. So the only thing we are going to do here is to change this campaign name. Name it whatever you want to name it, something that you can remember. So I'll just name it the title of the song, and I will go ahead and click on next. As you can see next here, so you click on next, so it will take you to the next page. So this is it. You can go ahead and name your ad set. So this ad we have three categories. Understand? We have the campaign level, we have the ad set level, and we have the ads level. So the campaign level is where you your campaign. You can decide to put on the, if you want to test some different kind of ads. So here the uh, ad set is the ad set level of the artist where you do the settings. Understand, where you do the setting, the targeting, the where you the budget, how much you want to run the ads, and the ad level is where you input the art itself, like the video or the picture that you want to use, and the write up. Understand? So that is it. So for here, they say conversion location. Conversion location is at messaging app. So we are going to click on that conversion location, and to open up, we will change it from messaging app to website. Now, if you want to people, maybe you want to run ads for people to message you, you can leave it here. Understand? Then you can come here. If you want people to message you on Instagram, you check it. If you want people to message you on Messenger, that is Facebook. If you want people to message you on WhatsApp, understand? So, but for this ad, we are running it to our website. So we are going to change it to website. Understand? Remember, Spotify is a website. So we are running our ads to a website. So you click on the change it to website. So yeah, they're asking you performance goal. You can see we have different performance goals. If you click the small arrow, it will open up. So you see different performance goals. So we are going to leave it at maximize number of conversions. Understand? That is what we want. And you can come down here and they're asking you to select a data set. And we will click it and we will select our pixel here. So now you can decide to create a new pixel from here. So we are just going to choose this our pixel. So now if you do not have a Facebook pixel, this is how you should create it. So to create the Facebook pixel, you click on this set up conversions. So when you click it, it will take you to where you set up a Facebook pixel. I don't know if you can see set up conversion. So if you click it, it will take you to where you can set up a Facebook pixel. So I will make a different video on how to set up a Facebook pixel. The pixel is used to track events for you to know how many people actually saw your ads. After you've seen people that saw your ads, the pixel helps to track how many people who went to the landing page. Understand? Click the link to land at the landing page where they will go to stream the song. So here we are going to do conversion event. So we are going to click on this small arrow and it will open and we'll select our conversion event. So for this very ad, we are going to search for, see, there are different events: ad watch list, contact, donations, find location, and the rest. So we are just going to look for view content. Let me just search for it. So you can see view content. So that is what we want. We want the pixel to track uh, the people that view this content in our landing page. So you can see. So after that, we move down to budget. How much do we want to spend? This is about you can decide to put your own amount of money. So let me just say 5,000 naira. Just say 5,000 naira daily budget. So come down and your ad start date. When do you want the ad to start? If you want the ad, like if you are setting up the ad to start in the future, maybe tomorrow or next tomorrow, you can change the date from here. You can set up the time from this other side. You can see time, end date. You can decide to set the date that you want the ads to end. So you just check this box and you input the date. But me, I like to run the ads continuously, because if the ads is like, if I set up the ads and it's converting, then I would like to leave it. Whenever my money finish, I'll just off it. Whenever I want to run it, I can just be using that very ads for a long time. So we come down. So the next thing we'll be doing is to you can see location here is to include location. So this is Nigeria. So you click on edit. If you click on it, if you tap on it, you see this edit button. So you click on the edit button to open up. So you choose the places that you want to the country that you want to target. So you see Nigeria is already um, included here. So you can just go ahead and add other locations if you like. So okay, let's just say Ghana. Let's just say Ghana, Accra. So once you Ghana has been added. If you don't want to add the whole of Ghana, you can decide to type a particular city. Like in Nigeria, if you don't want to add a whole Nigeria, you can just decide to type a particular city. Understand? And you type the city, you type the place that you want to run the ads to. Like this you see this place include. Now that we are in Nigeria, I see include. You see this small arrow beside include. If you click on it, you will see exclude. So if you click on exclude now, you can decide to exclude a particular state. Like you see, you believe that this state will not give you a lot of streams. Like the people that are living there, they are not really exposed to music. You can decide to exclude it. Like if you are running a product, if you are maybe you're running a sales product and you want to target a particular state, you can just put that very particular state. So we move to the next one, which is our audience targeting. Reach more people likely to respond to your okay. You can decide to put more locations. You can decide to target the United States. You can decide to target the United Kingdom, but do not target both of them at the same ad, please. So, what's the next thing we are going to do? Next thing we are going to do is to do our targeting. So, audience advance. So we are going to, you see, this is the advantage audience. So here, the algorithm will automatically look for people that are likely going to listen to your song. Understand? So you can leave it there. I mostly do this for. There are some certain songs that I do this for. Understand? But okay, let me just show you how this uh, original targeting, original audience works. So you click on this switch to original audience. See this option, switch to original audience. So you click on it. Once it opens, say use original audience. So you switch to use original audience. So now that you have switched to the original targeting, you see, you can decide to target people according to what they are interested in. So, for example, let me start with you can just search for Spotify. Spotify, where is it? So you search for Spotify, you see streaming service. So you click on it. Now you are targeting people that are interested in Spotify. Understand? So Facebook will try to show your ads to people that are interested in Spotify. So you just come down and you see suggestions. If your own have not suggested, you can click on suggestions and it will open up like this. You see other streaming services, Apple Music, you click on it. You can click on YouTube streaming, you can click on Deezer. Understand? So SoundCloud. There are a lot of them. So we'll just stop there and we'll come back again to this our search box. Come back again to our search box and search for let's search for Davido. So we'll see people that are interested. If the name that you're searching is not here and you see it will tell you that it's not available. Davido. So you can see Davido. I have just found another thing, which is African popular music. You're going to target that too. So now that we have targeted the video, you see Wizkid have pop up and we choose Wizkid. You'll see, understand? So you can just play along all these things. So this is our targeting, and we're just going to so you can just click on the save audience if you want to use this audience next time. So if you want to use this audience next time, you can click on save audience, you type the name that you want to save it as, and you click on save. Sorry, before we save, you see this edge, so you click on this edge. Click on the edge and you click on edit. You can choose the age that you want. Understand? Let's say from 19, depending on what you believe, as in the set of people that you believe will listen to your song. Understand? There are some songs for older people, there are some for the new generation. So you know, so you just bring it down. I would just like to select from, let me just say 40 something. Understand? So that is it. About then after that you can see gender. So if your song, if you want to target only female, if you want to target only male, so you click on this gender and you click on edit. Understand? So you choose female, but we are going to leave it at both. We're going to target both female and male. So the next thing we'll be doing is our placement, where you want the ads to be shown. So we're going to click on the placement and you see edit. You click on edit. We'll go for manual placement. So on this very manual placement, we are going to uncheck messenger. We're going to uncheck audience network. Most times I like to uncheck Facebook and run the ads only on Instagram. Understand? So if you want to run on both Instagram and Facebook,